Welcome back guys to this training. In this training guys, I will be teaching you how to install your theme installation, how to upload your demos and WordPress setting. Right, so to do that, let's go to our website and do. All right. Alright, welcome. So we are now in the back end of our WordPress. So what we are going to do in this training, we are going to install our theme, a theme into this our WordPress. So the theme we'll be installing is our DV theme. We are going to install our DV theme, then upload our demos, right, and also do some site setting. So that is what we will be doing in this training. But I want to teach you guys two ways to install your theme on your WordPress. Right, you can either install your theme directly from the back end of your WordPress, and also you can as well install it from your C panel. In case you are having an issue of installing your theme or plugin from the front end of your WordPress, you can as well do that in the C panel of your website. Right, so first of all, let me install this theme, my DV theme, from the front end of my website. Then I will delete it and also show you how to install it directly from your C panel. Reason being that in case you are having an issue installing this particular theme or any plugin from the front end of from the back end of your WordPress, you can as well do it directly from the C panel of your website. So for you to install your theme, all you need to do is go to appearance. Right, on your appearance, click on theme, then when you get to theme, then click on add new theme. Right, click on add new theme. Okay, click on add new theme. Okay, it's either you upload your theme directly or you search for a theme. Right, so in this case we are uploading our theme, that is the DV theme. By now I'm sure you might have downloaded your DV theme. For those that are in the mentorship class, I've already given the DV theme out. So let's go to our folder and upload our theme directly. Right, so click on upload theme, then click on choose file, okay, this is the DV theme that we are installing. So I click on it, open, then install. You have to note that if you have a theme in a zip file, you must install or update it by uploading it here. So when installing anything, make sure that it is in a zip file. Right, so you click on install now, and allow it to install. Give you some time, so like 2 to 5 minutes for your theme to get installed. Okay, it's installing. Just give it some few seconds to install. So what I'm going to do, our theme is already installed. Right, it's already installed. This is how to install your theme from the front end, or from the back end of your WordPress dashboard. So this is how to install it. Then immediately you install your theme, then activate. Make sure you activate. Right, immediately you install any theme or plugins, always make sure you activate it. Then click on activate. Alright, as you can see, our theme has been activated. If we go to this visit site, we see that our theme has been activated. Alright, so this is the theme, our DV theme that we just installed. So one more thing, just in case it might happen, it might not happen, but there are some times whereby you try installing this theme from the front end, from the back end of your WordPress. You might be having issues installing it due to one thing or the other, but you can as well install this particular theme from the cPanel of your website. So to install this particular theme from your cPanel, so what I will do, let me delete this one we install. So let's go back and install it from our cPanel so that you will get to know how to install it either from the back end of your WordPress or from the cPanel of your website, right? So what I'm going to do, I want to delete it so that we go back and install it. All right, so let me delete this particular theme. Okay, let me delete it. I've deactivated it, so let me go back to my cPanel and delete it. Okay, so let's go back to our cPanel. Let's go back to our cPanel. All right, we are now at our cPanel. So all you have to do for you to access your theme or your plugins that you installed on this website, so go to File Manager. Go to File Manager. All right, this is our File Manager. Then click on public _HTML. Right, click on public _HTML. Click on it. Double click on it. Okay. This is the site that we are working on. But in your own case, like for this particular cPanel, I have three different sites on it. This particular one, marketing.estelanglobal.com.ng, is a subdomain. That is the one that we are currently working on, and one other subdomain with my main domain, right? So in your own case, you only be saying this WP content, WP admin, and this public _HTML, right? So let me go to this particular site that I'm working on, right? So it will bring me here, right? So in your own case, it will bring you here directly. It will bring you here directly in case you are working on this your cPanel for the first time, right? So all I have to do, I need to click on this WP content. Click on WP content. Okay, so I go to themes. As you can see, the theme that we installed from the back end of our WordPress is here, but in your case you might not see it here in case you are having an issue installing it from the back end of your WordPress. So what I will do, I want to delete this particular theme that I've already installed, right? Let me delete it from here. Okay, let me delete it, right? So I want to reinstall it. I want to reinstall this particular theme, right? So to install this theme from your cPanel, all you have to do, by the time you get to this place, click on upload. You can see it. Click on upload. All right, select file. Click on select file, then choose the DV theme, right? This is the DV theme. Click on it, open. Okay, it's installing. Just give it time to install. All right, it's already installed, right? So one thing you will have to note, immediately it install, always make sure you have this green color, right? Always make sure you have this green color before you leave this page, right? So let's go back to this place. Okay, then reload. Okay, as you can see, we have our DV in zip format here. So right click on it, click on extract file. Okay, it's extracting. It's extracting. All right, close, then reload. Click on reload again. Reload. All right, our DV theme has been installed. Our DV theme has been installed. So I'll show you two ways to install your DV theme, either from the back end of your WordPress, or you can do it directly from your cPanel, or either way. You can as well repeat the same for your plugins as well. So this is how to upload any file, any plugin or theme from the cPanel of your website, right? So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard so that I will tell you how to do some site settings, right? So let's go back WordPress manager by soft calculus. All right, this is the website that I'm working on. All right, so what I want to do some settings on some configuration on my setting, right? So go to setting, go to general, right? Click on general. Sorry, before the general, I want to show you something. Okay, you can go to reading. I want to check something. So always make sure for that your website is on the static page, right? In case someone visits your website and wants to access your website, then maybe when he or she goes to any web browser and type in the domain name, so the place that he or she will be directed will be your home page. And when you get to make it a static page, then select home page, so that by the time someone types in your domain name on any web browser, the person will be directed straight to the home page of your website, right? So that is it. That is what we mean by making your home page a static page, right? So that is how it's done. This is one. Then when you are done, you can click on save changes. So with this, you have made your home page the static page of your website. So one more thing, let's go to general. Let's go to the general. So and now on general. Okay, so as you can see, in this my general settings, we have the site title, we have the tagline, right? So this is the site title of your website. You can see it from here. I'm having my blog as the site title of my website, while my tagline is saying my WordPress blog, right? So I don't need that. This is not what I'm designing. For instance, I'm designing this website for a digital marketing agency, right? Let me say this my website, I'm using it for a digital marketing agency, right? So what I need to do, so let me show you something. Let me go to this website. Let me say this my website is in Lagos. Then let me just type in digital marketing agency in Lagos, right? Let me type digital marketing agency in Lagos. Okay, from this search that I just did, as you can see, this particular Ziza digital marketing agency, they are ranked number 1 as the digital marketing agency in Lagos, right? Meaning that this website is highly search engine optimized. So when you are building a website, always make sure that your website is search engine optimized, right? What do I mean? By the time someone types in your domain name on any web browser, maybe you reside in Lagos or any part of any city, maybe someone comes and maybe is trying to locate a digital marketing agency company for he or she to advertise his product. By the time he or she comes to the web browser and types something like this, maybe your company name just like this particular Caesar Digital, they are the first here. So there is every possibility that the person might click on this website. So with this, you might be able to increase the organic search of your website. So what I want to do is that I want to copy these guys. I want to check how the type of keywords that they use for their site title and their site description, right? This is one of the ways you can be able to come up with a well search engine optimized website. Always try to copy what others that are ahead of you are doing, then try to modify the work so that you will have a very good result, right? So what I will do, I will click on these guys. Let me check out this their website. Let me check out this their website. All right, so this is the website of this Caesar Digital. It's still loading. It's still loading. Wow, you can see, just take a look at this website. Just take a look at this website. Okay, and as you can see, so what I want to do on this website, I want to go into the code source, into the code source of this particular website, so that I will do some analysis, right? So let me just click. In order to do that, click on Ctrl-U. Click on Ctrl-U. Alright, when you click on Ctrl-U, it will bring you directly to the code section of your website, right? So from this website, as you can see, this place that I'm pointing, you see title. This is the title of this website, right? Caesar Digital Marketing Agency in Lagos. For instance, your company is located somewhere in Abuja or in Port Harcourt or any part of the country, right? All you need to you copy, all you have to do, maybe your, like this particular website that I'm designing, the company name is Stellite Global. So in the place of this Caesar Digital, I might decide to change it to Stellite Global, right? So in the place of this digital marketing agency in Lagos, Nigeria, then I might decide to change it to digital marketing agency in Abuja, right? Hope you understand the technicality. So what I'm trying to achieve with this. So what I will do, I will copy this particular title. I will copy it, right? Let me copy it. Ctrl C. Then I'll go to my notepad. I will go to my notepad. I will paste it, right? So what I will do, I will change this Caesar. I will change it to Stellite, right? Stellite. The first letter should always be in capital. I will change it to Stellite. Instead of digital, I will change it to Stellite Global, right? I will change it to Stellite Global. Hope you are understanding what I'm doing. I will change it to Stellite Global Digital Marketing Agency in Lagos. As you can see from this side, each of the first letter is capitalized, right? Each of the first letter is capitalized. So what I will do, maybe my location is in Abuja, right? Maybe my location is in Abuja. I might change this in Lagos. I might change this Lagos to Abuja. So just change it to Abuja, Nigeria. So I will now copy it, then go back to my website. So on this site title, I will remove this my blog. Then I will paste this one that I copied, right? As you can see, it has changed. Stellite Digital Marketing Agency in Lagos, in Abuja, Nigeria. So let me go back to the code source again. So on this site description, you can see what these guys are using. So let me what I will do, I will copy this site description. So the essence of all this is just to make sure that my website is well optimized, right? So in the course of this course, I will be teaching you how to set up your search engine optimization on your website. So let me copy this particular one as well. Okay, let me go back to my notepad. Okay, let me go back and paste it. So as they say, we are digital marketing agency based in Lagos, Nigeria. We develop and implement. We are digital marketing agency based in Lagos, Nigeria. We develop and implement digital marketing solution for brands who wants to grow. Alright, so in this case, what I will do, then I will twist this particular text into we are digital marketing agency based in Abuja, right? Hope you get the trick. Based in Abuja, based in Nigeria, Abuja, Nigeria. We develop and implement digital marketing agency solutions for brands who wants to grow I might just change it, who wants to grow and expand in business. Wants to grow and expand in business. We are digital marketing agency based in Abuja, Nigeria. We develop, implement digital marketing solutions for brands who wants to grow and expand in business. Alright, so what I will do, I will copy this text like this. I will copy it, everything. Copy, then I will go back to my settings, right? Then I will remove this my WordPress blog. Then I will paste this particular one that I copied. Alright, so if I take this my mouse to this my website, then let me okay, what I will do, let me save these changes. Let me save it. Then click on save change, click on save changes. Okay, by the time I put this my mouse here, you can see digital marketing agency in Abuja. So these are the tests. So this is one of the ways in which you can optimize your website for search engine optimization. These are some of the settings that you ought to do before even thinking of installing your search engine plugins. You know that we have plugins that we use to optimize our website, but it is very necessary that you take note of these steps, right? So let me visit this my website again. As like I said, in WordPress you can navigate between the front end and the back end of your website as the admin. So let me visit the front end of this my website, right, and see. Can you see what I'm saying? So Stella Global Digital Marketing Agency in Abuja, Nigeria. So this is how our website is now looking. So by the time somehow maybe looking for a digital marketing agency that is based in Abuja, by the time it types our domain name on the web browser and search, there is after with all the search engine optimization, there is high possibility that our website will be found. So this is how to do your settings on your website. So let's go back to our dashboard. So the next thing I want to do is I want to import the demo. Of our theme, right, so that we can start editing our website. You know, in the previous class I told you that the function of a theme is the theme determines the look, the general look, the outlook of a particular website. So So what makes the way that your website appears, it all depends on the type of theme that you are using. In this case, we are making use of a div theme, right? So to do that, let's go to all pages. Let's go to all pages. Oh, sorry, before that I forgot to mention it. You know, we installed our theme, right? But we have not activated that theme that we installed, right? So we're supposed to have done it before going to that certain aspects. So what I will do, I will go to this theme. Just go to appearance, go to theme. Let me go to theme. This is the div theme. Then click on activate, right? Click on activate. It's activating. Click on activate. Alright, our div theme has been activated. Our div theme has been activated, right? So the next thing to do, now you can see it here. You can see the div theme here. It's right here, right? So the next thing to do is come to the theme options, right? You can see it. Come to theme option, right? Click on it. Click on theme option. Then come to update. Click on update. Okay. Click on update. Alright, so when you get to update, you have your username and the API key, right? This is your username and the API key. So let's go to our file. Let me go to my file. So where is my, okay, this is the div theme key. That is the div key, right? So I will open it. Let me open it. Alright, so we have two keys here. Any of these two can serve. They are both good key. So first of all, let me copy this username, right? Let me copy this my username. Okay, let me copy my username. Where is this? Okay, then you paste it here. Okay, then go back, then copy any of these key. They are both good. Copy any of these theme of this key rather, then go back, then paste it here also. Alright, so click on save changes. Alright, our key has been activated, right? Our key has been activated. So one more thing that I want to show you, there is one more plugin that I want to install. We call it the classic editor, right? For this div theme to function properly, you need to install the classic editor. So to install the classic editor, go to plugins, add new plugins, right? Then, oh, you can even see it here. This is the classic editor that I'm talking about. Then click on install. Click on install. Alright, then activate. Click on activate. Okay, our classic editor has been activated. Now let's go back to our pages so that we can import our demos, right? Then go to pages. Okay, we want to import our demo to our home page. So what do I mean by demo? That is the template, right? Those are template, like I told you, they are pre-made template that you can just import and edit. Like div theme comes with its own in div theme we call it a demo, right? Maybe if you are working with Elementor will normally call it a template. And one more thing, div theme normally comes with its own builder. But if you are designing your website using Elementor, and like when we are using Elementor template, then you need to install Elementor plugins, right? So in this case we are using a div theme. So let me click on, go to home, go to your home, right click on home, click on open a new tab, open a new tab, it's loading. Alright, open a new tab, then you see use DV theme, right? So before that, there is one more thing I want you to do. Then go to this default template. Make sure you place it on blank page, right? Leave it on blank page. Okay, leave it on blank page, then click on update, right? Click on update. Okay, so let's go to our DV, then click on use DV theme, right, so that we can import our demo, right? Click on use DV theme. Alright, it's loading, start building, click on start building. Alright, start building again, click on start building again. Start building, it's loading, just give it on. Alright, it has loaded. So from here we have the 3 options, and the 3 options we have is either you start, that is build from scratch. You can start building from scratch in case you don't need any of these pre-made templates, or you can choose from a pre-made layout. So they have a lot of layouts that you can choose from, or if you have any existing clone page that you would like to import, you can as well choose this particular option. So for this training we are going to use our pre-made layout, right? So to do that, click on browse layout, So DV theme has a lot of different layers, right? Different layers that you can use to design any website of your choice, And one good thing about this DV theme, you can use as many layouts on a one website, right? Like you can select one particular layout for your home page, for your about us page, just like that. But for now, there are so many of them. Any type of website that you can think about, there is a template for that on this DV theme. So what I want to do, I'm designing for a digital marketing agency, right? So I will go for digital marketing, right? So I will have option for digital marketing. Like now I have 15 layouts, right? So I will choose the particular one that I think is best for my brand, right? You can choose from anyone. Let me just select a very good one that I can make use of, right? Okay, let me go for this home page, digital marketing for home page. Okay, let me click on this particular one. So for you can view it to see how this demo is. You can view it on view live demo, right? You can see it from here, view live demo. Okay, view live demo. Then let me view and see how this demo is going. Oh wow, it's beautiful. So by the time you install this on your website, this is exactly how the home page of your website is going to look like. Is it not beautiful? This is exactly how the home page of your website is going to look, right? So let me go back. So let's make use of this particular one, right, for this training. So to make use of this particular demo, click on use this layout, right? Just click on it, use this layout. Alright, and give it some time to load up as fast as possible. Alright, it's loading up. Just give it some time, just a second. Alright, our team has been loaded. So that is it. So all I need to do is update. Click on update. Wow, our team has been updated. Our team has been updated. Like I said, you can either design, that is one thing about Divi also, you can either design your website using Divi theme from the front end of your page, of your website, or from the back end of your website. So just don't be confused with all these things you are seeing. They are very easy to design and navigate. So first of all, let me go to the front end of our website and view this website again. Right, you can build on the front end of your website, or you return to the standard editor, or return to this back end. Right, so that is it. So first of all, let me view this my site from my front end and see how beautiful it is. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is. So this is how to install your demo on your website. That is it. The next thing you have to do is edit all of this. Is to start editing all of this. Just start editing all of this. Okay, this is easy, this is amazing. So you can either edit from the front end of your website, or you can edit from the back end of your website. So there is one thing I still want to tell you, so that you won't be finding it difficult when editing with your Divi. Right, so there is one thing you have to consider. In Divi theme, we have the session. We have session, what we call session. We have what we call row, and we have what we call model. But in Elementor, we call it session, column, and element. They are the same thing, just the naming. Right, from this blue button that you are seeing, let me show you something. What I mean by session, column, and row. I'm coming. Let me this blue color, this blue that you are seeing, this is the session. Right, this is the session. This green color is the row. Why all these other things that you are seeing, this black one, are the model. Models are your elements. It could be a text. Right, your element could be a text, it could be an image, it could be a button. Right, so those things are, excuse me, like I said, your element could be a text, it could be an image, it could be a button, just like that. Those ones are your elements. Right, so I know by now you might not understand. So in the next class, I will be teaching you how to edit your website using the Divi theme builder. Right, I will be teaching you how to edit every of this website, every of the page of this website using this Divi builder. So you can edit from the front end of your website, and you can edit from the back end of your website. So all you have to do, you can change this text. Right, you can change everything that is here. You can remove anything that you want to remove. You can change, you can add different image, just like that. Alright, so in the next class, guys, I will be teaching you how to edit this website from the front end and also from the back end of your website, and also to import more demos like this particular one. This is the home page. Then we'll be teaching you on how to install your about us page, your service page, your contact page, just like that. It's as easy as that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.